just another day.
You can join us back in the building for our Sunday services in person. So you can join us for our morning service at 11 a.m. or our evening service at 6 p.m. And we're all together back in the building. Isn't it great? But you can also, if you're not so comfortable being in the building yet, then you can also join us online through our YouTube page or our Facebook page to join us for our 11 a.m. service. If you are joining us physically though, make sure that you book in online through Church Suite or our website. See you there. Throughout the summer, we have got some amazing activities happening for kids and young people. So make sure that you have a look online at what activities we've got going on for you. So you can have a look at excelchurch.org.uk/summer to get all the activities and details on what's happening for kids and youth. And remember to be sure to check out what normal activities will be happening from September for our youth programme. So check it all out online, guys. So this year's Devoted Conference is supporting the charity The Homeless Period in Wolverhampton. So if you have any donations you can supply of sanitary towels, soap, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, wipes, any toiletries at all, then be sure to bring them in and donate them to the box in the foyer.
I've seen you move the mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way, and I believe I'll see you do it again. I'll see you, I'll see you, I'll see you do it again. You made a way, you made a way, do it again. I'll see you, I'll see you, I'll see you do it again. You made a way, you made a way, do it again.
Well, doesn't that look exciting, ladies? That one is for you. So make sure that you remember to book by the end of this month to get your discounted ticket prices for the conference in October. So you can do that online.
With all I have and all I bring, I lay these chains before my king. Before my king.
Kids Stream has now finished. Can you believe it? Our kids show has finished that we've been doing all year throughout the pandemic. But we're going to be back in the building in person, so you can join us for Kids Shape on Sunday mornings here at Excel Church. So kids, we can't wait to see you back in the building with us having fun and some games and lessons from the Bible. But parents, make sure that if you're coming for our Sunday morning service and for Kids Shape, that you make sure you book in your family via the website or via Church Suite. We can't wait to see you there.
Can't deny you, since you came and set me free. You set me
So that's all for Excel News, but don't forget this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. And have a great week, guys.